Today we're going to be counting Netzach of Malchut, concluding the week of the Malchut, concluding the Sfirat Omer. And Netzach of Malchut, I hope you are following the previous classes, because the weeks are always the Chesed, Gvura, and the Tiferet. Everybody, they all accommodate each other, and it's like a build-up. So the Netzach of the Malchut, Bechlal, we're talking about it, then the whole week of Malchut is referring to the leader, the king. But we are also a miniature king. I'm also a miniature leader. And I have to look at myself as this leader. And even if I lead one person, and we talked about it last week, sometimes I come to a class and there's one person. And if you remember last week, you even said, what, you're still going to teach? Yeah, there's one person. Yeah? And there's a Mishnah in Pirkei Avot. Many people have the custom now in the summer to learn Pirkei Avot. So there's a Mishnah in Tractate Avot that it says, if 10 men are sitting together and learning, Shechina shruya b'nehem. The Shechina is dwelling there. And if it's not 10 men, even if it's 3 men, they learn Torah, Hashem is still there. And it says, and even if one person learns, and he calls the name of Hashem, Hashem is sitting in front of him and learning Torah with him. And you know how many times it was just me learning Torah with myself? We advertised the class, and you know who showed up? The fly on the wall. So go Hashem, no questions. The fly doesn't ask questions. He's not rude. Well, he is rude, but nevertheless, the Torah need to be taught and learned not for the crowd, for the sake of the Torah. So it's not the quantity, rather the quality. So the Kabbalistic term to that is called Zeir Anpin. Small. You're king. You're a leader, but small. So the whole week of Malchut, yes, we're looking at the Melech, at the king, but we're also looking at my own kingdom and my own domain. The most, or I don't want to say the most, I'll take it back. One of the most important characteristics of a king is that he's constantly in control. Can you imagine a real king losing control? That's not a good king, that he loses control. In our generation, most of the leaders of the world are like that, can lose control. And that's how dangerous it is, because all it takes is one leader to get offended and press the button. You saw now, don't want to talk Lashon Hara about Trump, but he went now to England, and right away he said something not nice about the mayor of London. Right away. So I'm not judging anybody, and I'm not putting an opinion. He right away said something not nice about the mayor of London. Ooh, I mean, this can get somebody very angry, and woof, right away erupt a very bad situation.